guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you counted how much packages we have opened? Well, I haven't, so you should watch each and every single one of those videos. And plus, what do you think is in this Amazon package? Well, it's time to figure it out. Let's open this one. Whoa, I wonder what that is. Well, let's open it to figure it out. Okay. So I wonder who would have packed it like this. So I don't really know what this is. Do you know what this is? Well, I don't know. I'm guessing you put this piece like that. Well, there is a manual in here. Let's check that. Or is this a manual? So I thought was that there would be a manual or something in here, but it might have been this that was in here and then it might have just slipped off. So what do you think this is? Because it looks like it can hold something here. Oh, I'll ask my dad. Papa, what is this? Come down. So this is my mom's hair dryer stand. So this is special only for one type of hair dryer. That's called the Dyson Supersonic. So you just need to, I think that you just need to attach it here and then it just stays on like that. We'll see in the next video after we open that, I think. So this is really good, made out of metal. This, I think that you have to attach to something else or like this, something like that. It has a hole here, has a good base, it can stand well, has 2 rubber pads on the bottom. Oh no, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rubber pads to hold it in grip. It's hard to push, so that's good. It doesn't have any scratches, it's white, so that's a good part. How did you like this video? If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it, then still like it. And remember to hit the subscribe button and the ding 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 bell. Bye! And remember to watch my next video, okay?